see the Ming parrots up in my guava tree in one of my side yards. Beautiful Ming parrots. The blue jays do not like the Ming parrots, but they're here to enjoy the guavas that are ripening. You see his beak there? You have to look for him. He's there with his little pink feet and his beak. He's looking at us. There's a mated pair in this tree right now among parrots, and then the blue jays are here trying to make a point that they don't want the Ming parrots here. Look hard and you'll see him. He's there looking at us.